Hello everyone, so now we are going to do one more lab here. So I will take some switches. Let me design the topology here. We will have 3 switches, okay, and we will have the 3 cables here also we have. So we need to do the ether channel. Here we will do the ether channel. So let's go here one by one we will do. So now I am doing for the switch 1. Let me rename this one. I can say this is a switch 1, this is switch 2, this is switch 3. So total we have 3 switches. We need to do the ether channel. So let me go here and do the ether channel configuration. First we will do the basic configuration. I will give the name of the switch. Then I will select the multiple interface. I will write F0 by 1-3. Then I will configure the trunk. Okay, I will make this port as a trunk, switch port mode trunk. Then channel, group, and give here group number, then mode which you want to configure. I am using active. If you want to configure the LSCP, then we can use active. So this site already we configure, and if you want to check, you can write here show ether channel summary. If you see ether channel summary here, this is the issue here. What we have, I means standalone. This is a standalone. This command we will use to check the ether channel. Show ether channel summary. You can see you have P of 01. So this is a logical interface what we created, virtual interface, logical we can say, and this is a physical interface. And S means you can see capital S, layer 2 ether channel we found, but this is down. Why it is down? Because only we configure one side, opposite side we did not configure, that's why it is showing down. And which protocol we are using? We are using the LACP. So now let's go to the other switch and do the configuration, then we can check. So I will go here, I will write here enable config t host name SW2. I will select the interface range F0 by 1-3 switch port trunk encapsulation .1q. No need to write encapsulation. If you are using the layer 3 switch, then you need to write switch port trunk encapsulation .1q. Now directly you can write switch port mode trunk, that's all. Then channel group number I am giving 1, and mode active. You can give any mode, active or passive, but I am using active. Why I am using active or passive? Because we are configuring the LACP. We are configuring the ether channel by using the LACP. Okay, if you want to check, you can write show ether channel summary. You can see now you have this port channel P of 01. Capital S means this is for layer 2. You have capital U means in use, this one. By using LACP protocol we configure this, and you can see these are the multiple interface which we have. We use the ether channel. Ether channel is a technology which is used to make multiple physical interface into single logical interface. Okay, so now here also if you go and check, you will have here also all the interface okay. Before you have suspended or standalone, but now you can see it is capital P, port in channel, and before it is down, but now you can see capital S means layer 2 ether channel, and you have U means in use. Okay, so no issue, everything is good here. After that what we can do, we need to do here again. So I will go here, this side we need to configure. So I can write here show spanning tree just to check. Here you can see interface F0 by 1 till F0 by 3 we taken, and this is a physical interface. We make this one as a logical interface. We put all this physical interface into this logical interface. Now remaining is F0 by 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6 connecting to other switch. So I will make this also bundle. I will make this multiple physical interface into logical interface. How I can do means, I will go inside the switch, in the global configuration I will select that interface. that is F0/4-6. I will configure trunk first of all. With this command we will configure that interface as a trunk. Then I will enable here also EtherChannel group. I will use group 2 because group 1 already we use for this switch. Then mode, any mode we can give active or passive. I give active here. And now you can check. If you want to check, right, show EtherChannel summary. So now you have two EtherChannel here. This is one, this is one. Okay. If you see, this is the port channel we are calling, EtherChannel we are calling. So you have two. One is working, capital S, capital U. Capital S means layer 2, capital U means in use. So the above one is okay, no problem. Only problem with this one, P of 2. L, if you see, S means layer 2, but you have D here, capital D. What is the meaning of capital D? It is down. And we are using LACP protocol to do the configuration. And here you can see this is a capital I. What is the meaning of capital I? Standalone. So here we have the problem. Why we have problem? Because we configure this side. We did not configure opposite side. Once we configure opposite side, then it will form the EtherChannel. So let's go to the other switch and do the configuration. I will go here. I will change the name of the switch first of all. Host name is SW3, then I will write interface range F0/1-3. Switch port mode trunk. First I will configure trunk. This command I am using to configure as a trunk. Okay, you need to go under the interface and put this command, so it will become trunk. Trunk is going to carry the multiple VLAN traffic. Then we need to write channel group. Okay, group number I will give 2, and mode I can give active or passive, anyone. I configure here also EtherChannel. Now we can write show EtherChannel summary and we can check it is working here. You can see here capital S. What is the meaning of capital S? Layer 2. And capital U. What is the meaning of capital U? In use. And which protocol we use to configure the EtherChannel? We use the LACP. And whatever physical interface we use F0/1, F0/2, F0/3. And you can see here inside P, capital P means port in bundle. Okay, and you can see all are green here. And you can check here, if you write show EtherChannel summary, you can check you have two EtherChannel here and all are working perfectly, no issue. Okay. And what else you can check? If you want to check, you can write here show spanning tree and press enter and check. Here what spanning tree is showing to you? Spanning tree is showing to you the port channel, not the physical interface. It is showing the logical interface. Okay. If you face any problem, WhatsApp us or write in the comments. We are going to reply to you. Okay. This is a simple EtherChannel lab. See you. Bye.